Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about Java constructors, their types and how to use them with the help of examples. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. A constructor in Java is a special method that is used to initialize objects. A constructor is similar to a method that is invoked when an object of the class is created. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called. Unlike Java methods, a constructor has the same name as that of the class and does not have any return type. For example, here car is a constructor. It has the same name as that of the class and doesn't have a return type. In this example, we have created a constructor named test. Inside the constructor, we are initializing the value of the text variable. Notice the statement of creating an object of the test class. Here, when the object is created, the test constructor is called and the value of the text variable is initialized. Hence the program prints the value of the text variable as Yash Murukte. In Java, constructor can be divided into three types: no argument constructor, parameterized constructor, and default constructor. Similar to methods, a Java constructor may or may not have any parameters. If a constructor does not accept any parameters, it is known as no argument constructor. For example, in this example, we have created a constructor football. Here, the constructor does not accept any parameters, hence it is known as no argument constructor. Notice that we have declared the constructor as private. Once a constructor is declared private, it cannot be accessed from outside the class. So, creating objects from outside the class is prohibited using the private constructor. Here we are creating the object inside the same class. Hence, the program is able to access the constructor. However, if we want to create objects outside the class, then we need to declare the constructor as public. In this example, we have declared the constructor as public. Now we can create object of this constructor from another class. A Java constructor can also accept one or more parameters. Such constructors are known as parameterized constructors. In this example, we have created a constructor named football. Here, the constructor takes a single parameter. Notice the expression. Here, we are passing the single value to the constructor. Based on the argument passed, the names variable is initialized inside the constructor. If we do not create any constructor, the Java compiler automatically creates a no argument constructor during the execution of the program. This constructor is called default constructor. The default constructor is used to provide the default values to the object like 0, null, etc. depending on the type. Here, we haven't created any constructors, hence the Java compiler automatically creates the default constructor. The default constructor initializes any uninitialized instance variables with default values. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.